Today's a very special episode. Adam's been looking for a car for a very long time, and I found something. I sent the guy the money, 100%. 100% real. And we're gonna call Adam and see what he's doing tomorrow and see if he's free. We'll give him a little surprise, you know? 100% legitimate YouTube video, not clickbait. But he's not gonna fucking answer, watch.
Hello?
Yo.
What's up, dude?
Hey, man. So you know how that car you were looking at fell through, hey?
Oh, dude. Oh.
Dude, like, not sick, dude.
Dude, so on fire, dude.
Not fire at all, dude. Anyways, got a surprise for you, man.
Yeah, dude?
Yeah, dude. Like, fucking mad fire surprise, dude.
It's not another midget hooker, is it?
No. That's only on Friday nights, dude.
Oh, shit, dude.
Now you're gonna have to drive there. We gotta go to Vancouver.
Dude, that's fire. I'm in, dude. Fuck. Oh.
Alright, dude. See you at the crack of dick.
Cracking my dick.
Alright, peace.
Okay, bye, dude.
Alright, guys. I don't think he has any idea what's going on, so this should be pretty good. Be a good surprise. We'll see you in the next clip.
Oh, I see the bagel right there. Oh, that's just okay. Wait, what do you want? Okay, can we get 2 bacon egg McMuffins? And then can I get two chicken for breakfast?
Are you serious, man?
On the egg McMuffin?
I think Buddy would love it.
Can I get 2 chicken for breakfast on the egg McMuffin? Oh yeah, okay, you got it. And then can I get 2 medium iced coffees?
Man, come on. You gotta do hash browns.
That's it.
You're not gonna round it out to 20?
All right, thank you.
You didn't get
The chicken for breakfast was half what you were buying.
Why did you get chicken for breakfast again?
Cause it's a deal, man.
We fucking learned from last time. We felt like we were gonna throw up.
If you're not feeling like you're gonna throw up, are you really at McDonald's, man?
I don't think so.
We should have got hash browns, man.
That's what I was fucking saying.
Give me the goddamn business. It's a business expense. Going to take Reactin, going to go on trip. Oh, Jesus, take wheel. Yeah, there's no fucking bagels at McDonald's because they're like, oh, we gotta fucking touch the goddamn bagel.
Don't they have to fucking touch everything else? Like, how are they making all the other shit?
Yeah, I know. Are you not gonna touch my chicken for breakfast? Or is that hands free?
I can't believe you got chicken for breakfast.
Dude, it was value. Like, I'm trying to save the company.
Yeah, but do you not
money.
remember the experience?
Yeah, so what? You shit your pants a little. Don't we all?
I don't think that video ever dropped. We got chicken for breakfast, and it was the most disgusting fucking thing we ever had in our lives, man.
Things deserve a second chance.
Yeah, maybe it got better. Better with age?
That's what I'm thinking.
Like a fine wine, man.
That's what I'm thinking. You
If you
know?
let them sit, like maybe put them on the dash for a bit.
Dude,
Let them roast. Okay, so me and Adam were talking. We're gonna start wearing our hats like this because all the big names in the car industry on YouTube, the car community, wear their hats like this.
yeah. We're also gonna get the jeans with like ribs on the knees, and then we're gonna be like, yo, dude, I was at this fucking meet, Rip Box Mod, and this guy pulled up in this this Scion Fress, or it was like a Subaru Bazoo.
We're also gonna start saying words like, "That's so lit, dude,"
Dude,
and also,
ill.
"Dude, that's dope, fam."
What about ill?
That's ill, dude. That's the illest, dude.
Dude, let's not even go to the fucking gym, but take pre-workout all the time.
Dude,
One scoop right to the fucking dome.
bang
dude.
energy, dude.
Mind if
Dude.
I get my bang on?
That would be so dope, dude.
Dude.
We really think that the YouTube algorithm picks up on words like that, like I said before, lit, dope, fire,
Box mod?
box mod,
Dude.
370Z, fire, 326 wing, dude, fire,
1552 wheels? Bruh?
fire, neochrome wrap, fire, NRG steering wheel,
Dude.
Fire.
Neochrome NRG with the fucking quick release.
fucking NRG quick release with no brim.
I'd have so many girls sucking on my nipples if I had an NRG wheel, bro.
Fire, dude.
Oh, no, you know those t-shirts that have like the extra piece on the back and the front?
Fishtail t-shirts.
Yeah, dude.
Alright,
Dude,
Ripped up Zara jeans, dude, and fucking scoop neck t-shirt, dude.
pinwheel rolled
fuck, dude.
Dude, and the neck on the t-shirt that's like this.
Yeah.
So fucking fire,
Dude, so flame, dude. That's
and
lit.
like a big Nixon watch.
Dude, we'll get sponsored by what's that company with the fucking watches, dude?
Movement
watches,
dude. Let's keep it moving. Keep your eye on the new vape 3% juice bubblegum flavor.
You guys want some fucking motivation right now, dude?
Dude, I've got it all because I keep moving forward, dude.
Never back, dude. Follow your fucking dreams. Bumpers are fucking lame, dude. No bumpers, fucking lit.
Dude!
Take out your fucking headlights. Put LED light bars, dude.
Dude! Fire! All this fire shit is just rousting my thread, dude! Dude, wide body! Wide body! Wide body! Fuck! I'm gonna shit myself. I want a chassis mount so fucking bad. Dude! Fuck!
Toe hooks and toe straps, dude. Fucking lit.
Dude!
Really think we're changing for the better here?
Dude! Fuck!
We get kicked off the boat, man.
Fucking do it, dude! I'm just too ill.
Alright, so we got kicked off the ferry.
Fucking fire hazard, brah. Too fire.
Fuck, brah.
What happens when you're too lit?
It's too fucking swag, dude.
It's whatever.
It's whatever, dude.
You know, you can't handle this heat, then fucking get out of the oven. Bitch.
Fuck, brah. 33 minutes away from buying my best friend his dream car. Oh.
Okay, I know a lot of people are like, Adam buys a lot of cars. It's not an addiction. It's not an issue. Like, it's not like a gambling addiction or something, you know? So, like, I don't know. I don't see it as an issue. I see it as, like, an asset. But,
This is also, like, this is the kind of car that...
Dude, did you shit yourself?
No, we're in fucking bumfuck nowhere. It always smells like shit here.
Okay.
But this is, like, the kind of car that once you get it, if you get rid of it, you probably won't ever find another one.
Yeah.
So...
Fark,
brah.
Dude, that guy was so slow at the insurance place. Not fired,
Dude, not fucking lit, dude. Trying to tell him we gotta fucking go, dude. But he's actually carving it up. I think he's on a ripstick, man.
Dude, think he let us rip?
Dude, he fucking rips, dude. Okay, anyways. Got the surprise car for Adam. He still doesn't know what it is yet. We put it in the back of our car hauler that we just bought. We just bought ourselves a car hauler. 6 cars, you know, fully fucking boxed in, because Trudeau really came through. So Adam and I pooled our money together and bought ourselves a, you know, one of those things. Anyways, we're back at the ferry. Thought there was a 3. Got here at 2:30. There's no 3 today. Only a 5. So fucking unlit, dude.
Dude.
Anyways.
So not fire.
How do you fucking feel about that, dude?
Dude, it's so watery, like,
it's so unswag, dude. We didn't even have time. If we would have known it was a 5, we could have hit Zara up, dude. Got the scoop neck shirts and ripped up jeans. And white Vans.
Dude, you wear white Vans.
So we still don't know what it is. I forked over the cash for him because Adam's in some tough times right now. Yeah, anyways, pretty fired up for him to see the car. Guy's still ripping it up over there. Getting lit, dude. We should ask him if we can get fired with him. Fuck, dude. Yeah, we ordered Dommies, man, to the fucking ferry terminal.
We're in the ferry terminal line. The Dommies pizza's coming.
Waiting for his call. It's gonna be sick, dude.
We got hella ranch, so we can fucking ranch it up.
Dude, we're gonna fucking ranch it up, dude.
$27 for a pizza.
Business expense, man.
Buy our merch when we open the store, please.
Yeah, when the store's open. We're gonna call it.
The new flags are fire.
We're gonna call it Fire Drop, dude.
Dude, fire ass flames drop. Heat, fire ass flames drop.
Dude.
That's lit.
You know, you guys don't even know what's coming, man. You know, last drop was fire, dude. Wait till this drop, dude. It's gonna be so lit, fire, hella sick swag, dude.
Dude, the last drop was water compared to this fire
dude.
one.
Dude, I don't even understand, man. This is the fiery depths of hell, man. Fire. This video better get 1 million views because we're using all the good algorithm words.
Dude, flames.
Dude. Anyways, what do you got? Are you excited? What do you got to say for yourself?
Yeah, I don't know what the car is yet because Noah's buying it for me. We just peeled about a pound of stickers off the car.
You haven't seen it yet, man. Don't say that.
Oh, I didn't look. I
made him wear a mask.
I didn't look at it, but we peeled about a pound of hentai stickers off the car. Slapped him on the back of the taco, you know, for a little surprise for my dad.
Fark, bruh.
But yeah, it's pretty...
Is it pretty lit, dude? I say it's pretty fiery color, but you haven't seen it yet, so you wouldn't know. You gotta get swagged up, dude. There you go.
Yeah, it's probably pretty flames. Pretty fired up for this flame-ass car, dude. Fark. Fark like a shark. When I see it, I'm gonna be like, oh.
I can't wait to get your genuine reaction.
To seeing it for the first time?
First time seeing it. Fark, bruh.
Fire.
So sick, dude. Can't believe I found this for you, man.
Dude.
Fark, bruh.
Fark flames. Fire.
Pretty excited for Adam to see my surprise to him. So,
Fark.
told him he's not allowed to look until we get back in Victoria. When we do the unveiling. We're also not going to show the trailer we got yet because we'll reveal that in a different video in about 5 years.
5 years when we get one? I mean...
what?
When we use it again.
You almost farked it up, bruh.
Almost farked up the lies we had going.
The viewers are going to catch on, bruh.
Does that look pretty?
Yeah, give her. Adam's first reaction.
Whoa. Coupe, dude? Thanks, man.
No way, dude.
Dude. 89 coupe? With a Silvia front end?
A what front
Thanks,
end?
man. Silvia front end.
Let's take a look.
Now we're tandeming boot like Silvias.
No doubt. Can't afford the real thing, so we get the fake thing.
Got those 17-inch Tommy Chiara wheels on it.
Shit.
Fucking fire-ass Bomex mirrors on it. Got those bum-ass projectors on it. Got that dank cush-ass fucking Grand Theft Auto... No, what's it called? Need for Speed Underground carbon fiber hood for max horsepower. Got the seat that probably has AIDS in it.
Yeah, so we got home like 2 hours ago and unloaded it from our trailer
Yeah.
that we bought.
Yeah.
And Adam...
Hadn't seen it before. Oh, and this car had probably $400 worth of hentai stickers all over it. So while we're waiting for the ferry, Noah... Well, I couldn't see the car, so Noah peeled them all off. You can see all the remnants. We gotta get some goo gone on this. All over. It was literally like the bowl was a pound of hentai stickers.
It was bad.
Yeah. Yeah, so Cooper Pooper, Super Trooper. The seat has like literally gonorrhea.
Oh, it's also got E-Spare mirrors, huh?
Yeah.
It had some jank carbon fiber. We ripped it off. We'll fix that later.
Yeah.
Sand it down and paint it with trim paint. The Silvia front needs a lot of work on the fitment, but I'm sure we can figure that out.
This carbon fiber hood is so Genghis Khan.
Yeah, the carbon fiber hood can be for sale in a bit, so let us know if you want it.
Yeah, dank ass single cam.
Yeah, it's fucking sick. Dude.
Yeah, dude, single cam for life, bruh. Got some XYZ coils, never heard of that brand. Got a HKS high power exhaust in it, fucking less differential. Has a fat sub in the trunk with a custom
That
box
needs to
on
get
it.
ripped out.
Yeah, so we bought this. It's a big project.
What do you think, man?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. There's a lot of stuff we're gonna do to it. Mainly cosmetically, because it looks pretty bammer right now. We'll talk about that next video mainly. But yeah, some things for sure we're gonna do. New front bumper. Fix all this front end stuff. Refurbish the Silvia grill. I might get a different grill.
You want bricks too, right? I
Yeah, I wanna
we can
buy
talk
bricks.
about that in the next video.
Yeah, I have a real metal hood coming. I have a wing coming for the back. We're gonna build our own exhaust. Do a ton of interior stuff because the interior literally has like gonorrhea. Wheels are coming. What else? Yeah, just all around dankification mods, I'd say.
Did I do good, man?
Yeah, goodbye, man.
Nice
Thanks.
surprise.
Yeah, cool.
No worries.
Thanks, man.
100% legit.
Yeah, we'll do a more in-depth. No! Look at this fat dent.
Mine has a dent in the
We didn't
exact
see
same
that
spot.
before. I asked him if there's any issues in like the body, and he's only said that like one paint mark on the other side. But clearly he lied because there's a lot of shit.
Honestly, man, sell it.
Yeah, honestly, coupe for sale. DM us on Moist Boys if you're interested. Dude, that's fucking bammer, dog.
It's not bad at all. Once it's low enough, you won't be able to see it, man.
He was capping when he told me all the things. Like,
That's fucking.
I was
lit, dude.
like, trust, and he
was like, no cap, and
did
like,
not.
I guess he was capping.
He capped. Like, you already know what the fuck going on. This shit's fucked, fam. Brakes are squealing like a mother bitch. I don't know. Gotta fix that.
Yeah, whatever. We'll clean it up. It'll look good.
Yeah.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, I sold the hatch yesterday, so I had to buy this. Cup holder, dude. Fucking flames, dude.
Dude, we don't do that. It's free advertising.
Yeah, but the stuff's shit quality anyway.
Who knows if that makes it in the video? I don't know.
Packaging.
Man, you gotta shut the fuck up, dude. You're starting beef, dude.
Does his have goat skin on the palm?
I don't think so.
Well, it's made in Pakistan, so you know that's real goat.
Anything else you gotta say?
No, that's pretty much it. We'll start doing stuff to this. What's that we're looking at? We're gonna start doing stuff to this right away. So fucking subscribe if you hasn't already, which I hope you have.
Yeah.
Because if you haven't, you're dead.
I was looking at the analytics the other day, and apparently 68% of people that watch our videos
68%?
aren't subscribed.
Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Okay? Stop fucking around.
Yeah,
Okay.
no doubt. You want to ask a question, or what's going on?
What's up, Noah?
Dude, what's up?
Nothing much. How about you? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. So comment, like, subscribe.
You got a question for today, or?
I don't think so. Do you?
We discussed something earlier, but I don't know if we can say that on YouTube.
Oh, say it.
Maybe next video.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit of a tricky subject.
Yeah.
Fire, dude. Comment if your favorite word out of these three is lit, fam, fire. Yeah, lit, fam, or fire. Comment them down below. Yeah,
That's it, eh?
otherwise, fuck off.
Skidoo. Yo, dude, so can I like get my money back for this?
Dude, like, for real, no one's gonna, you have like $2. Like, no one's gonna believe it anyway.
Yeah, no one's gonna fucking think this is real anyways. Alright.
Yeah, you
Okay.
only have $2.
Have fun. Hopefully this doesn't break down. And hopefully you actually keep this. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, see you later.
Peace.